Welcome back to the channel. This is Miss V Lifestyle JA. Guys, I've noticed this building from a distance whilst driving around in and around the Ochi area. I've noticed this since last year actually, and decided today to stop by just to see what was going on and wanted to show you. This construction is the SOL Harbour. It's two 7th-floor buildings with 140 studio apartments, 12 two-bedroom apartments, with an estimated completion date set for December 2025. And guys, to my amazement, it's been reported that both buildings have sold out already. Who really is buying up these properties in Jamaica? Soon as they go up, they're all sold out. This is really amazing. I just wanted to show you what's going on in Jamaica, especially for those of you who are overseas and are curious to know what's going on in Jamaica. Construction is booming in Jamaica, especially on the north coast. Well, to be honest with you, in and around the island as a whole. But this is just to show you what's going on so that you can take note. This location is a prime location. You have the Ian Fleming Airport, which is a stone's throw down the road. It's about under 15 minutes from Ochi to the Ian Fleming Airport in Boscobel, St Mary. You also have Highway 2000, which takes you straight into Kingston in a little over an hour. So this is a prime location for those of you who have bought and are thinking of obviously investing in Airbnb. This is a prime location for your visitors.